Welcome to Blue Blanket Movers, your trusted local Calgary moving company. Here in Calgary, moving made simple is more than just a slogan. It's how we operate every single day. Whether you're relocating a cozy condo in the Beltline, a family home in the Southwest, an office downtown, or heading out to the suburbs like Airdrie, Okotoks, Chestermere, or Cochrane, we've got you covered. Our fully licensed and insured professional crews specialize in Calgary moves of all sizes. We've helped thousands of families and businesses across every quadrant of the city turn what could be a stressful experience into a smooth, organized transition. Let us walk you through exactly how we make your move effortless and worry-free. Watch as our team gets to work right from the start. First thing we do is protect your space. We lay down heavy-duty floor runners throughout your home or office to shield carpets, hardwood, and tiles from any dirt, scuffs, or damage. Your place stays pristine. We treat it like our own. Before anything gets moved, we do a thorough, careful assessment. Our movers take detailed photos of your furniture, valuables, and layout. We discuss your priorities, note any special items, and create a clear, honest plan. No surprises, no last-minute changes, just transparent communication so you always know what's happening. Next up, packing your fragile and valuable belongings. Our experienced team uses only high-quality packing materials, bubble wrap, sturdy boxes, packing paper, and custom crating when needed. We carefully wrap dishes, glassware, mirrors, artwork, and electronics. Everything gets labeled clearly by room and contents, so unpacking at the new place is quick and stress-free. Large furniture? No problem. We professionally disassemble beds, dining tables, desks, shelving units, and anything else that needs to come apart. Every part is carefully labeled and hardware is bagged and tagged, so reassembly later is fast and frustration-free. We save you the time and hassle of figuring it out yourself. Now comes our signature protection, the blue blanket difference. Every piece of furniture, every mattress, every mirror gets wrapped in our thick, soft blue moving blankets. Then we secure them tightly with heavy-duty stretch film. This combination keeps your items scratch-free, dent-free, and perfectly safe, even when we're navigating Calgary's tight stairwells, narrow elevators, underground parkades, or sharp corners in older buildings. We do this every day, so we know exactly how to handle it. Loading the truck is where the real skill shows. Our movers treat it like a giant game of Tetris. Heaviest items go in first. Everything is secured with straps and blankets, and we maximize space without risking damage. Your belongings travel securely across town or to the next community, arriving exactly as they left. When we reach your new location, the process reverses with the same level of care. We unload methodically, placing each item exactly where you want it. No guesswork. Then we get to work on reassembly, beds put back together, furniture positioned and leveled, tables set up, TVs mounted and tested, everything connected and ready for you to start living right away. Throughout the entire move, you enjoy our flat, upfront rates with absolutely no hidden fees. We provide a confirmed arrival window so you can plan your day. Full insurance coverage gives you complete peace of mind, and our friendly uniformed team is always respectful of your home, your time, and your belongings. That's the Blue Blanket promise. Professional, reliable, Calgary-focused moving that makes your next chapter easier. And now, here are some real reviews from our happy Calgary clients who experienced our service firsthand.
It was moving from Calgary to Fort McMurray. Everything was smooth, fast, and non-stop. Actually, it was perfect. Highly recommend these guys from Blue Blanket.
Hey, this is Vinny and Shelly out here in Calgary. We hired the guys from Blue Blanket. They did an absolutely fabulous job. 12 hours non-stop. They got us moved in, helped us place all of the product, blankets, everything was great. Covered the floors. Give these guys a call, Blue Blanket. They'll hook you up, Calgary. Have a good day.